a Metso Autotech expert discussion session where we introduce insights for primary crushing improvements related to liner selection. Crusher liners rarely steal the spotlight unless something goes wrong, which is why choosing the right liners for the application is important. Therefore, Metso Autotech has carefully developed the MX mantle that contributes to less maintenance, fewer unplanned stops, longer liner wear life, and less risk exposure. My name is Justin Paul, and I will be interviewing subject matter expert Timothy Brader, a senior product specialist from Metso Autotech. Tim is responsible for the Milwaukee Technology Center related to chamber optimization and crusher liner support, and has 10 years of experience in crusher wear support in North America and is part of the global chamber optimization team. So Tim, can you briefly describe the typical challenges a non-optimized liner selection may cause to the primary crushing process?
The primary crusher is a critical part of any crushing process. Typically there's only one machine, so any extra or unplanned downtime can lead to lost plant productivity, directly reducing profits. So the related risks to the mantle design or concave selection can vary from poor crusher performance, either reduced lifetime, reduced throughput, poor product size, or it can even lead to, at the extreme, unplanned shutdowns to pull liners early or due to mechanical failures.
You mentioned there may be many risks. Which one of these challenges do you consider to be the most critical one?
I would say that unplanned downtime is usually the biggest issue. Basically, you've got to take your crusher offline. You're scrambling for parts typically to make sure everything's ready. You're trying to prepare everything. You could be trying to put your maintenance crew and prep them for the tasks on hand, and everything's kind of a last minute or that hindsight preparation. So the safety risks, basically you have an extra exposure and extra change out. So that's the increased health and safety risk for the crew. Plus there's the added pressure of those time constraints where the crusher's offline, where you're losing that production.
Since liner materials do matter, how does proper selection of mantle material make a difference?
By selecting the right concaves and mantles for the application, wear life can be significantly improved over the standard basic liners. Increased wear life basically reduces the need for both planned and unplanned downtime. Basically that leads to more uptime for the crusher, more plant throughput, more profit overall as you can increase plant production. Metso Autotech has developed an MX mantle solution, a composite material with potential to cut the number of mantle changeouts per concave sequence as much as in half when used with the proper alloy steel or high chrome white iron concaves.
Okay. Can you tell us more about the Metso Autotech MX mantle? What makes it the best choice for mantle composition?
The Metso Autotech MX mantle is a hybrid material that can again give up to double life over a conventional manganese steel mantle. The MX mantle has a manganese steel base casting that acts as a matrix and surrounds metallic inserts that are placed in the casting. Basically, this leads to unique characteristics. It keeps the optimized wear profile longer. It also has a much slower wear rate with the metallic inserts wearing slower. There's also a phenomenon where the inserts wearing slower can actually improve the grip of material on the crusher. So there's the benefits in lifetime, performance. There's also, from the sustainability or eco-friendly side, we have reduced freight costs. We also have reduced consumption of non-recyclable materials like backing and other things used in a mantle reline.
Thank you, Tim, for your introduction to the topic. If you wish to learn more about ways to improve your primary crusher's performance and lifetime of the liner wear parts, please be in contact with your local Metso Autotech sales representatives. Our sales and service experts are more than happy to offer support and help with any possible crushing process challenges and efficiency-related questions. Thank you.